Are you ready? Let's go.
This is vlog 6. Continue. This is the first lady.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Taser. Solo Dolo.
No, my name is Cortasia. Thank you. No, actually, no. Wait, my name is Tasia F. Bailey. Thank you.
Y'all know what the F stands for, right? Freak. Wait, here we go. Come on, let's go, Taser. Hey, we gonna do like a little scene to y'all, like those white people tell those black people jokes, and the black people don't laugh, but she the black girl and the white guy. And here we go. And action. And come back. We gotta do it again. Come on, let's go. Here we go.
What you said? You shook your back.
Here we go. So I told my. Oh. Here we go. Now I'm messing up now. Here we go. So I told my wife, honey, those are like the sprinklers.
Take your chips somewhere else, man.
I was eating. Hey, you owe me $1.50. Thank you very much.
I don't owe you nothing.
Hey, this is vlog 6, man. We doing this how we do it. We just did Taser photo shoot. We have to do about 5 times for Sound of City, but here we go. And action. Hey, so I told my wife, honey, those are not the sprinklers, those are the shower.
I didn't get it.
What you doing? Oh.
What's so funny?
I told my wife the sprinklers wasn't on. Do you get it?
Okay, like.
What? Taser, well, we have socks then. Let me get the socks.
You got your socks on?
Yes, I do.
What?
Right there.
You ain't got no socks on.
I do have socks on.
Those feet finna be stank.
Hey, she's a freak, guys. Taser F baby.
I'm not a freak.
Taser freak baby.
No, I'm not.
You know what I'm saying? Taser freak baby.
I'm not freak baby, guys. I don't even know who baby
So
is.
freak baby. That's your question here. Since you're about to.
Really?
Dude.
Really?
Dude, don't hit the car for dude. Hey, cameraman, stop caking.
Get off the phone.
You a jerkhole. Oh. Hey, I'm gonna give a shout out to all the people who watch Sound of the City as well.
We love you guys. I want to give a shout out to Unity. Wait, this is Unity. Unity and my mommy. Because without her, none of this would be possible. So I want to thank God.
Hey, I want to give a shout out to the second coming, man. She's the second coming of LaTwan Lamar Blackman, the most electrifying man in all entertainment. I am
Well, he ain't all that now, but.
Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you what Taser told me. Let me tell you, look, y'all, listen to me. Go to Taser blog, right, and read what she said to me.
Okay. Don't read it, but I'm gonna delete it. So.
Hey, that's how the cookie crumbles now. Hey, she can't
That's
delete
how
it.
the cookie crumbles.
Yeah, that's how the cookie crumbles. Hey, so cameraman, you do what you do now. Hey, you can be the star now.
Watch me.
All right, we got about 6 minutes left in this filming, so we just gonna fool around, and
Hey, watch some
when
damn
this goes
fun.
into effect, I hope that you guys enjoy all of this. We just do this for fun. We do this to make it happen. We do this just to do what we do. So we gonna watch LaTwan dance right now.
It's going straight in all that.
Oh,
Somebody hold my chain. Somebody hold my chain. Somebody hold my chain.
hey,
But
hey. And look, I call this the twist. Hit him with the twist.
thank you.
Hey, watch how LaTwan shoot. Hey, did y'all see Taser shoot? What's up? Trying to copy me. Trying to steal my word, dog. I'm trying to see. I got that from Jay-Z. I'm talking about all black men straight. go there.
I'm glad I don't have that. Oh, yeah.
Darn. Came too late.
You got me?
A little bit.
Delete that.
Huh?
Delete that.
Oh.
This video right here is gonna be called "I Burnt a Kua."
All right.
Vlog number 6, continue, baby. Oh, y'all!
Oh, you missed.
Hey, he tipped that. He tipped that. Hey, she gonna sing to y'all too, man.
Yeah, we got 4 minutes left. You gonna do the halftime show?
Hey, pause. Just go ahead and pause.
I'm gonna sing the national anthem.
I think I hear ghosts somewhere. I think I. Go ahead, get back now. Go ahead. Here we go. That's old mine right here.
What's up, y'all?
That's hey, yo, Tayson with the back. Can't see them. They black as like.
Obi missing.
Everybody look at Tayson now.
Nah, you can't see me.
Can't see nobody.
Can't see your teeth.
I see your teeth too, Tasia. Man, why we gotta be black?
Hey,
And which we brown, yeah, we brown though, you feel me?
Why you made us black?
Actually, we're brown.
Why I look blurry?
You know why he made us black? So we can't get burnt by the sun and get tan.
Still get 10
Still
anyway.
get.
Oh yeah, we do get tan though. We get black. That's when
Where
we get
Obi
purple.
at, man? Where is Obi? He's missing.
Oh, probably said on B&B thing.
Hey yo, shout out to Jasmine once again.
Cassandra.
Hey yo, and Cool said Cassandra. Shout out to them.
Shout out to Ellen DeGeneres. We gonna be there.
Ellen DeGeneres, yeah.
Hey, girl.
Say it again, Tay. Oh, there you go.
Hey, girl.
Say it again, Tay. You can see you one time.
Hey, girl.
Oh, there we go. We see you now. You so black. You got black on. And like, obviously, there's a shadow. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
Oh, great. Yeah, just park right there.
Hey, girl. Hey, look, man. Look, my lips look sexy on here, man. Hey, man, look. Look, man. See how you look. Stop hating on me, dog. Also, you
This is
hate.
supposed to be PG-13.
She hating on me. It's a blog. Blog is like MA rated, man.
MA.
Mature.
Duh, I knew what MA stood.
Blood
Obi
moment.
ain't here either.
I knew what MA stood.
Obi's not here. We
gonna
still
see
looking for Obi.
Still looking for
Where's he
Obi.
at?
What does OB stand for?
Obadiah.
I'm talking about in the movie rating.
Obi, there is no Obi.
Obesity.
Obesity.
That's what it stands for.
Over belligerent.
Lash, you got stop, bro.
That's something Dante would say. Over belligerent.
Hey man, we can't see them at all in the back. Y'all gotta scoot up if you wanna see y'all.
Y'all need to.
Oh my God.
For real, my arm burning too. But don't
Well, y'all gonna keep it on me there. Me
Y'all
and
be
mine.
alright. I mean, was it that bad?
Yo, like I said again, we just got done with the photo shoot.
It's a photo shoot.
Oh, there go Obi right there.
Where you at?
Oh yeah.
He was probably lying down in the car for the longest. We found Obi.
We found Obi, y'all.
Okay!
Leave the camera on.
Okay! Where you been, oh?
Where you was at?
Where you been at, oh?
We found Obi, y'all.
Found Obi.
Where you been?
Where you was at?
Where you been?
In the car?
Ooh.
Oh, that's what we figured.
Looking at. Alright.
Why Tasia talking? We can't even see her, man.
I don't know.
If I was y'all, be quiet like Laz right now. You feel
I
me?
think we finally gonna call it a night, I guess.
Tasia, can we see you? Yeah, we're finna go home, man.
Alright, then I'll just catch y'all later.
All right, bro.
Obi. Be safe.
Yeah.
Peace, Jinx.
It's like Obi going away for it, man. Okay, we ain't gonna get in the car.
Obi ain't going home.
I'm just playing of it. Oh, you gonna stay out here, dog?
Yeah.
All right, man.
If somebody rob you, call me.
And you know Tasia ain't gonna be the first one up.
I should. My phone dead.
Yeah, let's sing a song, a road trip song. We are marching on the... Okay. Love left us up where we belong. No, we singing a road trip song, not End of the Road. Okay, I got a song. Some say love.
No. How many?
Wait, you gotta listen.
Y'all sing with me.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Sound of the city.